Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2013. Okay, so the given question is consider the following two sets of LR1 items of an LR1 grammar. Okay, so they gave two grammars here, guys, or two canonical forms, right? So this is one canonical form and this is one canonical, right? Yes. Okay, so which of the following statement related to merging of these two sets in the corresponding LA-LR parser is or are false? So we are in search of false statements, right? Yes, and we are trying to merge these two things. Okay, yes, so anyway we'll be writing down the merged things, so don't worry too much. Okay, yes, so option A says cannot be merged since Luke head symbols are different. Okay, so option 2 says can be merged but will result in SR conflict. Okay, option 3 says can be merged but will result in reduce conflict. Okay, option 4 says cannot be merged since go to on C will lead to two different states. Okay. Okay, so the best approach will be, let us start merging what's there in that, right? Yes. So I can merge these first two things. So X implies C dot capital X comma. So on the top we are having a C/D and below we are having dollar. So we are having three entries there. Similarly, the next thing is also exactly matching. So C, D and dollar. Okay, and the next thing is also matching dot D, C/D/dat/dollar. So I think there are no clashes here, right? So it's clearly a smooth merging, right? So there's no issues here, right? Yes. So now let us check the options like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are talking about false statements. Okay. So the first statement says cannot be merged since look ahead symbols are different. What is the issue here, guys? We can merge them, so that is wrong. Similarly, option D also says we cannot merge. So both of them are false, guys. Okay. So option A and B are gone, right? Yes. So moving on to the second and third, are there any conflicts here, guys? There are no conflicts, right? Yes, so everyone, none of them has been reduced here, so there is no reduce here, so hence there is no clash, means every one of them is false. Oh my god, so this is a quite interesting and easy question, right? Yes, so just based on those canonical forms they have asked the question, guys, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this, right? Yes, so if we got two symbols like here we have CD and here also we are having C, so at that time that is a clash. So in that way you will have clashes, but here there are no that issues, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? Yes. And what is a reduce means some particular statement should have dot at the end, guys, so then it will become reduce shift clash or something like that, right? If two things are reducing means for two lines we are having at the end dot means it will be reduce clash. Got it? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture let us continue with the next question, right? Yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.